Yo, what is up everybody, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am going to show you guys how you can install, reinstall and update your network driver. So let's get right into it. Okay, so before we start with this video, as you guys can see, only 0.3% of you guys is subscribed to my channel. Let's just go ahead and scroll down and press that red subscribe button and make it gray. That would really mean a lot to me. So let's get right into the tutorial. Okay, so as you guys hear, today we are going to update, reinstall and install our network drivers. So you are probably only here for one of them. So I'll put the timestamps on the screen right now. So just skip onto the time that you need to and follow the tutorial. Okay, so we are going to start off by installing the network driver. So first off, you need to know what motherboard you have to be able to install a network driver. You can do that by pressing Windows and X at the same time. Then click on Run and type in msinfo32. Click OK. Then this window will pop up. Then you want to look for baseboard project, and this will show you what motherboard you have. Now you want to open up Google and look for your motherboard's name. So in my case it's B350 PCMate. Then press on the first page, then go over onto the support page and click on driver. Select your operating system. Now this site will be different for you if you have a different brand, but it should look like almost the same, but it will look a little bit different. So just select your operating system and look for LAN drivers. Then press this download button. Once they are done downloading, open it up. And you want to put this folder onto your desktop. So put it onto your desktop, then open this folder and you want to right click setup and press run as administrator. Then this window will pop up. Then it will ask you if you want to install it, repair it or remove it. Now in my case I've already installed them, so I don't have that option that says install. So just go to the installation process, and when you are done, reboot your PC, and that's basically it. That's how you install a network driver. So let's get right into how to reinstall your network driver. Okay, so to reinstall your driver, you want to go ahead and open up Device Manager. You can do that by left clicking on the Windows search bar and search for Device Manager. Then this window will pop up and you will see network adapters. You want to expand this and look for the driver that you are using. Now if you don't know which one you are using, you can see that by right clicking this Ethernet icon at the bottom right. Click Open Network and Internet Settings. Click Ethernet, then click Change Adapter Options and look which one is on the first place. So as you can see, mine says Realtek PCIe Family Controller, and as you can see it says Realtek PCIe Family Control over here as well. So I know this is the one that I am using. Now once you know which one you're using, you can right click on it and press Properties, press Driver, and go ahead, and as you can see over here you can press uninstall device, but do not press this. Before you press this, you want to go ahead and download your new driver, because if you uninstall this you don't have any connection to the internet anymore. So you have to download the driver before you press this. So if you want to know which one you will need to download, you can go ahead and press Windows X, then press run, then type in msinfo32. This will pop up. Then look for baseboard product, and this will show you what motherboard you have. Then open up Google Chrome and look for your motherboard. So in my case it's B350 PCmate, and then type drivers next to it. Then just press the first page, then go over onto drivers. Now this page will not look the same for you, it will probably look different, but that doesn't really matter. So select your operating system and then expand LAN drivers and download the latest driver. Okay, once it's done downloading, you can close Google Chrome, close this window, and you'll still need this one. Now you can press uninstall device because we've downloaded the driver, so just press uninstall device. Once it's done uninstalling, you want to go ahead and right click on the first thing in this window and click on scan for hardware changes. And look, if you still see your network adapter, you want to right click on it, click uninstall device once again, and click delete the driver software for this device. Okay, now once you refreshed it once again and it still says this, you want to reboot your PC and go ahead and install your new driver. So let me reboot my PC and I'll see you guys when I'm back. Then open this folder and you want to right click setup and press run as administrator. Then this window will pop up. Then it will ask you if you want to install it, repair it, or remove it. Now in my case I've already installed them, so I don't have that option that says install. So just go to the installation process, and when you are done, reboot your PC, and that's basically it. That's how you install a network driver. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys how to update your network driver. So the first thing you want to do is open up Device Manager. You can do that by searching for Device Manager in your Windows search bar. Press enter and open this window. Once you have this window, scroll down until you see network adapters and expand it. Then look for what driver you are using. You can do that by right clicking this little Ethernet symbol, click open network and internet settings. Open up Ethernet, click change adapter options, and look which one is the first one. So in my case, this is Realtek PCI family controller. So as you can see, this one says Realtek family controller as well. So I know this is the one that I'm using. So once you know which one you're using, right click on it, press properties, click on driver and press update driver. Click search automatically for drivers. Now this is actually a bad method how to do it, because this will probably not show you the latest driver available. So let's now go ahead and check out how to install the latest driver. So you can close this and look for what driver you have. If it says Realtek, like it does in my case, open up Google and search for Realtek LAN driver and press the first page and download the Windows 10 auto installation program. Then you will need to type in your email address. Just type that in. And press download file. Then it will ask you this little captcha thing. Okay, so it's finally done downloading. I don't know why that took so long, but now we can open this up and just open this program. Wait until it's done and just go through the installation process. Now I already have this driver installed, so I don't have to do this. I'm just going to do repair. Just click next. Okay, so once it's finally done, you can press finish and close all of this and reboot your PC, and you should be done. Now that was it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, please let me know in the comments, and if it wasn't, let me know what the problem is and I will try to help you. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.